What does a flashing yellow traffic light indicate? A. Stop and wait. B. Proceed with caution. C. Speed up to clear the intersection. D. Prepare to stop. Answer B. Proceed with caution. A flashing yellow light warns drivers to slow down and proceed carefully. What is the minimum safe following distance in good weather conditions? A. 1 second gap. B. 2 second gap. C. 3 second gap. D. 4 second gap. Answer C. 3 second gap. A 3 second gap is recommended to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. When are you allowed to overtake another vehicle from the right? A. On a one-way road. B. When the vehicle ahead is turning left. C. On a multi-lane highway. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Overtaking from the right is permitted in these scenarios, provided it is safe. What does a solid white line on the road indicate? A. Overtaking is allowed. B. Lane changing is allowed. C. Overtaking and lane changing are prohibited. D. Only overtaking is prohibited. Answer C. Overtaking and lane changing are prohibited. A solid white line means drivers must stay in their lane. What should you do if your vehicle breaks down on a highway? A. Stay inside the vehicle. B. Move the vehicle to the shoulder and use hazard lights. C. Park in the middle of the road. D. Abandon the vehicle. Answer B. Move the vehicle to the shoulder and use hazard lights. This ensures safety and alerts other drivers. What is the speed limit in residential areas unless otherwise posted? A. 40 km per hour. B. 60 km per hour. C. 80 km per hour. D. 100 km per hour. Answer A. 40 km per hour. Residential areas typically have a speed limit of 40 km per hour for pedestrian safety. What does a red triangle sign with an exclamation mark indicate? A. No entry. B. Warning of a hazard ahead. C. Speed limit ahead. D. Pedestrian crossing. Answer B. Warning of a hazard ahead. This sign alerts drivers to potential dangers like sharp curves or slippery roads. When should you use your car horn? A. To greet other drivers. B. To alert others of your presence in emergencies. C. To express frustration. D. To signal pedestrians to move faster. Answer B. To alert others of your presence in emergencies. Horns should only be used to warn others of danger. What is the legal blood alcohol concentration, BAC, limit for drivers in Dubai? A. 0%. B. 0.02%. C. 0.05%. D. 0.08%. Answer A. 0%. Dubai has a zero-tolerance policy for drinking and driving. What should you do when approaching a roundabout? A. Speed up to enter quickly. B. Yield to traffic already in the roundabout. C. Honk to alert other drivers. D. Enter without checking for traffic. Answer B. Yield to traffic already in the roundabout. Always give way to vehicles already circulating in the roundabout. What does a blue circular sign with a white arrow indicate? A. Mandatory direction. B. No entry. C. Pedestrian crossing. D. Speed limit. Answer A. Mandatory direction. This sign indicates the direction drivers must follow. What is the penalty for using a mobile phone while driving? A. Warning. B. Fine and black points. C. Vehicle impoundment. D. License suspension. Answer B. Fine and black points. Using a mobile phone while driving attracts a fine and black points. What does a yellow box junction mean? A. Stop and wait. B. Do not enter unless your exit is clear. C. Speed up to clear the junction. D. Overtaking is allowed. Answer B. Do not enter unless your exit is clear. Yellow box junctions are designed to keep traffic flowing. What should you do if you miss your exit on a highway? A. Reverse to the exit. B. Continue to the next exit. C. Stop immediately. D. Make a U-turn. Answer B. Continue to the next exit. Reversing or stopping on a highway is dangerous and illegal. What does a green traffic light indicate? A. Stop. B. Proceed if the way is clear. C. Slow down. D. Prepare to stop. Answer B. Proceed if the way is clear. A green light means you can go, but only if it is safe. What is the purpose of a speed bump? A. To increase speed. B. To reduce speed. C. To mark a pedestrian crossing. D. To indicate a no parking zone. Answer B. To reduce speed. Speed bumps are designed to slow down vehicles for safety. What does a red circle with a white horizontal line indicate? A. No entry. B. Stop. C. Yield. D. Speed limit. Answer A. No entry. This sign prohibits vehicles from entering a specific area. What should you do when you see a school bus with flashing lights? A. Overtake the bus. B. Stop and wait until the lights stop flashing. C. Honk to alert the bus driver. D. Speed up to pass quickly. Answer B. Stop and wait until the lights stop flashing. Flashing lights on a school bus indicate that children are boarding or alighting. What does a diamond-shaped sign indicate? A. Warning of a hazard ahead. B. Mandatory direction. C. Speed limit. D. No parking. Answer A. Warning of a hazard ahead. Diamond-shaped signs are used to warn drivers of potential dangers. What is the maximum speed limit on highways in Dubai unless otherwise posted? A. 100 km per hour. B. 120 km per hour. C. 140 km per hour. D. 160 km per hour. Answer B. 120 km per hour. The default speed limit on Dubai highways is 120 km per hour unless signs indicate otherwise. What does a blue rectangular sign with a white P indicate? A. No parking. B. Parking area. C. Pedestrian crossing. D. Speed limit. Answer: B. Parking area. This sign indicates a designated parking zone. What is the penalty for not wearing a seatbelt in Dubai? A. Warning. B. Fine and black points. C. Vehicle impoundment. D. License suspension. Answer: B. Fine and black points. Not wearing a seatbelt attracts a fine and black points. What does a triangular sign with a red border indicate? A. Mandatory direction. B. Warning of a hazard. C. No entry. D. Speed limit. Answer: B. Warning of a hazard. Triangular signs with red borders are used to warn drivers of potential dangers. What should you do if you feel drowsy while driving? A. Continue driving. B. Stop and rest. C. Increase your speed. D. Open the windows. Answer: B. Stop and rest. Drowsy driving is dangerous, and taking a break is the safest option. What does a yellow flashing arrow at an intersection indicate? A. Stop and wait. B. Proceed with caution in the direction of the arrow. C. Speed up to clear the intersection. D. No turns allowed. Answer: B. Proceed with caution in the direction of the arrow. A flashing yellow arrow indicates that you can turn in the direction of the arrow after yielding to oncoming traffic.